Hi guys, I'm Spencer, a travel agent with Expedia Cruises, and we're going to take you on a tour of the Infinite Ocean View balcony on the Star of the Seas. This is room 9562, and let's join us for the tour. The room features an automatic door opener, perfect for wheelchair users. With the scan of your room key or WOW band, the door swings open and gives plenty of space to roll right in. This is my Infinite Ocean View balcony room on Star of the Seas. Wide, modern, and designed for easy accessibility. Let's take a quick look around. I usually travel with my own Hoyer lift, but depending on the trip, I'll rent an adjustable bed for extra comfort. As a certified special needs travel agent, I can arrange all of this for you, making sure the equipment fits properly and is set up before you even arrive, because the only thing you should be lifting on vacation is your drink. One of the coolest features of this room is the infinite balcony. It gives you extra interior space, and whenever you want some fresh air, you can just lower the power shades and roll the window down. No heavy balcony doors to wrestle with. This particular room sleeps up to 4 people, and we rearranged it a bit to make the space more functional for our needs. I've really come to prefer the infinite balcony, not just for the extra room, but for the completely unobstructed floor-to-ceiling view of the ocean. It feels like you're right out there on the water. As with any fully wheelchair accessible cabin, you'll find a spacious roll-in shower, an absolute must for true accessibility. One of my favorite modern touches in this room is the smartphone control through the Royal Caribbean app. It lets you adjust the lighting, TV, thermostat, and even the shades, all without getting out of bed. Definitely a feature I could get used to. I hope you enjoyed this quick tour of this amazing accessible stateroom here on Star of the Seas. Royal Caribbean went above and beyond with the design and accessibility features on this ship. If you're ready to plan your own Royal Caribbean adventure or just want help finding the perfect accessible cabin, give me a call. I'd love to make it happen for you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below telling me where you'd like to cruise next.